Hi everybody. Today I'm going to be reviewing the GooBang air compressor tire inflator. It's a nifty little device that is pretty self-explanatory. It helps you inflate your tires very quickly, and it's also very useful for inflating any other equipment such as bikes or balls or anything else inflatable that you need done quickly. It has 30-minute continuous working time, and it's actually very quick to inflate even vehicle tires, heavy vehicle tires. Has a digital gauge as well, and some really cool little features that I'll show you as soon as I open up this box. So let's take a look at what's inside. It's nice and compact. As we pop the top, we pretty much have the whole unit in here. Not much else. And once you remove it, you have a nice little manual that explains how to use it and some notes in here. It has a built-in LED light as well, which is pretty cool. And the cool part about this whole thing is that you actually don't need to plug it into the wall. You can actually keep it in your car because it has a adapter here that plugs right into your cigarette lighter charger. So you have this really nice long cable that comes included, attached right into the back of this unit, and you can carry it in your car the whole time. You don't need any external power source. You just plug it into your car and you get it going. And then right here in the back is the actual hose that attaches to your tire. So you have this little nozzle here with a clip. This is where you put it on the nozzle of your tire. You clip it, so it creates a nice suction effect, and then you can go ahead and inflate your tire. And the other cool little thing is that it comes with a kit over here for your other inflatables. So this black one here can be used for inflatable boats or other large inflatable items. And it actually comes with a needle to use for your basketballs, volleyballs, soccer balls. That's really cool that it's included as well, and it's clipped right to the back, so you can take it with you and you don't need to carry anything extra. So this is it. It has a nice little LED display, and I took a look at the instruction manual earlier and noticed that you can actually set it to different units. So you can use kilopascals, you can use pounds per square inch, and you can also set the particular pressure that you'd like to inflate your tires to, so that it automatically stops once it reaches that pressure, because it has a built-in gauge as well. So once you hook that up to your tire, this end of it, and go ahead and press the power button, it'll start automatically inflating, and it will stop inflating as soon as it reaches the desired pressure that you've set into the gauge right here. Really easy to use. There's just one button to navigate and to set your tire pressure. There's different modes on the LED lights in case you're stuck on the side of the road and you want to have kind of like a beacon light flashing. You can switch between 3 different modes so that the light is flashing or it's flashing an SOS so that people can pull over and help you out. And that's pretty much it. It's a very simple little device. It's an air compressor, and it doesn't require very much power to work, so it comes in really handy to keep in the car just in case of emergencies. That's pretty much it. I'll post a little video as well on how it works, and it's I don't think it's going to be a very loud device. It's pretty small in size, and we'll check out the performance itself, and I'll write a full detailed written review as well on Amazon, so you can take a look and see for yourself. Overall, as far as GooBang is concerned, I have quite a few products from them. They offer excellent service and very quick response time if you have any questions. So I highly recommend them as far as a vendor to buy from, and I highly recommend this tire inflator because it comes in handy in times of emergencies, and very good all-in-one for inflating anything else that you have lying around the house. So let's see it in action. Okay guys, so I have the unit hooked up right here, and as you can see, the LED's lit up, and we have the light that I showed you earlier. It has 3 settings. So this is setting 1. Setting 2 is just an emergency flashing light, and setting 3 is the SOS. So it blinks an SOS signal. So that's pretty cool. Would definitely come in handy if you're stuck on the side of the road. And now let's try inflating this basketball. As you can see, it's quite deflated. I already set up the needle at the end here. Let's moisten the needle a little bit here. And let's put it right in and see how quickly this inflates. So let me turn it on. As you can see, here's the button. Getting inflated. It's working pretty well. Almost there. There we go. It's at the perfect pressure. So it's showing right here on the screen. If you can see it, it's showing about 2.5 pounds per square inch, which I think is where this needs to be. Anyway, so that's how it works. As you can tell, it doesn't make too much noise. It's not too bad. And on the screen over here is what I showed you earlier. I don't know if you could see it very well, but you can press this button, changes it to the different settings. So here it's at bars, and then you can go to kilopascals and pounds per square inch, or kilograms per square centimeter. And then once you do that, if you are sitting at the PSIs, for example, you press and hold it, and that's when you can change the settings. So press and hold, and then the number will flash on the screen, and you can press it again to set it at a higher PSI. So it's at 36 now, and that's it. So that's how it goes. So then once you set it up, when you turn it on and it's hooked up to your tires, you can go ahead and press that button over here, and it'll inflate until it gets to 36 PSIs and automatically stop, so that you don't overinflate. So that's a really cool little feature that that takes some worry out of inflating tires. And that's pretty much it. So hope you enjoyed my review, and if you have any questions, please go ahead and post your questions on Amazon, and I'll help you out. Thank you, and I'll see you again soon.